This is my drink. अरे डेर उनका है आपका है करो कुछ. Okay, bitches, we are at the mall and Kevin's here. It is day 7. Today was when you landed last week. Can you imagine? Today was the day you landed last week.
Yeah.
Is that crazy?
Yeah, it's so crazy.
So now we are just heading to food court. We're gonna eat and then I'm gonna get my nails done because my nails are not done.
Yeah, they look pretty bad. I mean, they look great.
How dare he? इसको कोई डर नहीं है. इसको किसी का डर नहीं है. But we are at the mall. I don't know where the food court is. Do you want to go watch a movie, by the way? I go on the 3rd floor so we can get food. He's getting a little bit hangry, but that is usual. We're at the food court looking at Taco Bell. Thank you. And hi, welcome to Taco Bell. And we're both looking at stuff. I don't know what I'm going to eat, honestly. I have no clue. Guys, we don't know what we are going to get. So we are looking around.
I feel like maybe I should just get it for like the experience, you know?
Yeah, burger steak. And what about dosa? What about dosa? So what are you going to get from Taco Bell?
I wish the menu just showed everything instead of like flashing back and forth. I kind of showed it around a little bit on my phone. I don't know if Justin will include that, but there's like a Subway, Pizza Hut, Taco Bell, a lot of like small chains. There's Krispy Kreme and McDonald's. So I got a Krispy Kreme coffee. It's like average. It's not bad. It's like average. It's better than the one in Korea, I feel like. Then I got a soft taco and a hard taco, and I got a crunch wrap.
Hey guys, so we are down. Actually, just me. I'm going to get my nails done while Kevin is having meal. But किसे पूछना पड़ेगा? Excuse me. यहाँ पे nail salon कहाँ है? आगे. Thank you. तो बेसिकली हुआ ये कि ना हम दोनों टाको बेल पे वेट कर रहे थे एंड वहाँ पे जो लेडी थी वो वहाँ पे पैकिंग कर रही थी और जो उनके साथ में मेल थे वो कुछ काम कर रहे थे. एनीवेज मुझे नहीं पता कि क्या सीन था. हम वहाँ पे बड़ी देर से वेट कर रहे हैं. हम घूमकर भी आ गए आसपास. तभी वो लेडी पैक ही कर रही है. तो वहाँ पे वेट कर रहे हैं मैं और केविन आराम से. एंड वहाँ पे एक लेडी आती है एंड वो बंदा जो पीछे काम कर रहा है वो फटाफट सब कुछ छोड़ के उनका ऑर्डर लेने लगता है. एंड हम लाइक भाई हम इतनी देर से वेट कर रहे हैं कि कब कोई फ्री होगा कब कोई फ्री होगा. अब हम वहां से हैं तो वहां पे क्या होता है कि आपको खुद ही बोलते हैं कैशियर या जो ऑर्डर ले रहा होता है कि ओ ठीक है अब हम फ्री हो गए हैं आप आ जाओ. अब ऐसा हो ही नहीं रहा है. हम इतनी देर से वेट कर रहे हैं ये वो वगैरह एंड उसने लेडी का ऑर्डर लेना स्टार्ट कर दिया. तो ये दूसरी लेडी गई तो फिर दूसरी लेडी आ गई उसने की फ्रेंड. तो मैंने बोला भैया हम कितनी देर से वेट कर रहे हैं हमारा आप ऑर्डर ले नहीं रहे हो. तो अब मुझे नहीं पता कि उनका ऑर्डर खत्म हो गया था नहीं हुआ था बट फिर उन्होंने हमारा ऑर्डर लेना स्टार्ट कर दिया. बट मैंने ये बोला कि दीदी आप 2 मिनट रुको हमें करने दो ऑर्डर हम इतनी देर से वेट कर रहे हैं. फिर वो दीदी हट गई. फिर मैंने भैया को फिर वापस बोला कि भैया आप ही को बोलना चाहिए ना जो पीछे वेट कर रहा है आपने हमें देखा है हमारे साथ आई कांटेक्ट बनाया है आपने तो आप पहले हमें बोलो ना कि हम यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं हम दूसरों को बोल रहे हैं. फिर एनीवे तो मैं ये देखूँ यहाँ पे नेल सैलून्स हैं 2-3 कहाँ पे जाके मुझे नेल्स करवा कर आना है क्योंकि मेहंदी से पहले करवाना चाहिए था बट मेरा दिमाग तो चलता ही नहीं है. आज मेरे बाल भी बिल्कुल अच्छे नहीं लग रहे हैं. क्या हो रहा है मेरे. एनीवेज तो उसके बाद मैं दीदी के पास गया ना वाज लाइक दीदी आई एम सॉरी इफ आई साउंडेड रूड टू यू एंड व्हाट नॉट. दीदी ने अपना एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया कि भाई मैंने तुम्हें देखा ही नहीं कि तुम वहाँ पे थे. तो मैंने बोला कि दीदी अच्छा ठीक है उन्हीं को करना चाहिए था हैंडल क्योंकि वो है वहाँ पे एम्प्लॉय हम तो वहाँ पे कस्टमर्स हैं. मुझे ना ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही है जैसे पैट्रिक नहीं है स्पंज बॉब से जो ऐसे करता है और जीवा वाला पैट्रिक होता है वो ऐसे 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 करके बात करता है. मैं ऐसे वीडियोस बना सकता हूँ घर जाके. देन आई एम बीइंग टोल्ड दैट आई नीड टू गो टू 32nd Avenue somewhere in Gurgaon for lunch. We'll see if we go or we don't. Depends on what Kevin thinks. Guys, I am drying my nails. It's not done yet, but it's kind of getting there. Didi कर रही है मेरा nails. I'm very sleepy.
You didn't have coffee. That's why I had so much coffee. Oh, I had lots of coffee. So first I had Dunkin' Donuts coffee, and then I had cinnamon bun coffee. There's a cute masala chai place over there, but they do in like the clay pots like the other place does.
Oh, I don't like clay pots.
I walked by it twice. It was cute. Do you want to get a coffee after this then before we go to lunch? Well, we can get a chai at lunch then if we're going straight to lunch after this, right? That might be better because then you can actually sit and enjoy it.
Guys, we are waiting outside, and I just noticed that under my eyes, there's a lot of mascara that has bled into under my eyes. So it's not looking that pretty. And on top of that, मतलब आज दुख दर्द तकलीफ देनी ही है मुझे भगवान ने. तो अभी उबर भी नहीं हो रही है. 20-25 मिनट हमें हो गए वेट करते करते मेरे नेल्स एंड कुछ हो ही नहीं पा रहा है. ना उबर बुक हो रही है, ना मेकअप ठीक हो पा रहा है. ये भी बेचारे इतनी देर से वेट कर. कैसे हो जीजू?
Hey, nice to meet you. Oh, lovely home.
Well, once they're available, they'll give us a tour. I think we are the first people.
Yes. Finishing his work.
Should we leave our shoes here?
Shoes उतारने हैं ना?
नहीं मतलब आप ला सकते हो कोई इशू नहीं है.
Okay.
But anything is fine.
Guys, my cousin is going to give him a full tour, but right now, let me show him the balcony. Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah, that works. Guys, so Kevin is going to get a home tour from Kanika, but I'm going to show him the view from here.
Oh, this is Dyson. Is sushi allowed out here?
Yeah, he is. How do I open this? Good, I couldn't have opened it with my
Thank you.
nails. Hi, Sushi. Nobody can see this, but
Oh wow! Look at the towers, how they go up in height. You know?
yep. This is the city view, you guys. Guys, we are eating. Oh yeah. Guys, Jizu ne. Hi, girl.
Hi.
You look so gorgeous.
I just took a shower like before you guys arrived, so maybe that's why.
We're vlogging.
Oopsie.
Say hi to the girly pop.
Hi.
I got you gift. Take a minute.
So, do you think that I can wear this?
Fuck off, you girls.
Tag on.
हाँ मतलब
Why are you dressed up like this?
मैं आज के लिए नहीं ली है, मैंने ली थी मेरा कोई इवेंट था तब.
तो अभी के लिए पहन लेना थोड़ी देर. जब सब आएंगे तो फोटोज खींच के फिर लेट नाइट चेंज कर लेंगे.
यार मैंने तो सोचा हम ऐसे कैजुअल पहन रहे हैं.
मतलब अभी कर ही ले.
देख तो ले क्या है.
Kevin, thank you. Yeah, can I see right now?
Yeah.
I don't know if they're actually good, but
So Kevin brought my sister Kanika something. I don't even know. I haven't even seen. So if it's good, then it's us. If it's not, then it's him.
they look really nice in the shop. So I'm like, okay.
Oh, these look so good. These are date chocolates or what?
Yeah,
Like
date
dates,
chocolates.
right? These look so good. I'm gonna try this one. This is what? What is this? Walnut.
Oh, we love walnut. It's our dog's name. Is it pistachio?
Maybe the pistachio one's too in the middle, yeah.
Pistachio. It's got sunflower seeds, and then this one might be some kind of candy.
Yeah.
This is really tasty, and we are really into dates actually.
Oh really? Okay, good.
Look,
I feel like getting
peacock.
mehndi for myself too.
And his name's hidden. He has to
Can I look for it?
Yeah.
So it's just
But
initials, or like the entire name is written somewhere.
the entire name. But you can't look around him. So even if you find something, don't
I don't
say it.
have-
Oh, when do I look?
Yeah.
I'm going to look when I'm a little bit sloshed.
Yeah, that would be funny.
I'm gonna hold off for now.
Yeah, if I knew that you guys dressed up, I would have worn something else.
But you look so cool in a plain black sweat.
I would have worn a skirt. I bought a skirt and I have leggings too.
Do you want a skirt? You want to wear a skirt? I've got a wrap skirt. It's a leather black wrap skirt.
If she wears something pretty, then I'm gonna wear
She's
something.
wearing a midi dress, maxi dress.
Oh, okay, then I'll change in a little bit.
Okay.
And I freshly
Waxed. Did you shave or wax?
waxed it.
Wow. So this is gonna last at least a month for you.
Yeah, touch how smooth it is.
But you know, I have more hair than you right now because it's winter and like I'm taking full advantage of being hairy.
I am
Too much
so-
information.
I like your winter dress series. That's a fun idea.
Thank you so much. I've been asking for reviews. I've got such less like comments on that. I posted a story on how are you guys liking my series. If you've seen, I'm doing 30 days of winter outfit.
Yes, you told me.
Yeah, I've reached day 16 today. So let's see how that goes.
Which one is your favorite one? I
I think-
posted on my story.
I think first few 5 days, 1 or 2, I liked personally a lot more because those resonate with my style. But
Yeah.
I'm also trying to present to my audience what they would like instead of just me.
Yeah. Send it to me which one you like. I'll ask my audience.
We run into so many like gays that are his fans. Like everywhere we go
I
in
have
Delhi,
So many moments
these
where-
twinks will come up to us and be like, yeah.
People have recognized you.
Oh, so many of these twinks
One
all the
of my
time.
very good friends who lives in this society, a different tower. He sent me your reel. He was like, "This is the cousin you went to meet, and this was that reel, the one with for cousins, the recent one."
Yeah.
And I was so proud. I was like, "Yeah,
Aw,
he's my
that's so
sibling."
It's crazy because
Yeah,
I've
it
gotten
is.
like people taking selfies with me. They want to talk to me.
I think there's a huge
so
audience in
nice.
India for you, waiting for you. You should
Well-
elongate your time here.
He gets lots of views, but then like not a lot of people follow. You know, we need more people to
with
follow.
Everybody. Like
Yeah.
getting follows is much more difficult than views. That's with everybody.
There's Astha, there's her brother, there's Zizu, and there's Zizu number 2.
I thought I was Kiku or something.
Zizu. Look what's going on.
करते कौन
क्या कर रही हो तुम? Sit. Sit. ये देखो चुबाका जैसा इसका चेहरा है एकदम. So we are gonna be sitting. Oh, Kevin's sitting where I was sitting.
No. How? Why did you just like body slam me?
I like it.
Okay.
And when he's not home, I use his workstation. Otherwise, I'm not a workstation person.
That's my thing about working in
Yes,
cafes.
cafes which
You like to work anywhere
I
in the
like to
house?
laze around. I
Okay.
like to go to cafes. So this is the first room. It's pet friendly and they're meant to work from. So they have good
Oh,
Wi-Fi.
you bring sushi?
Yes, I take him along.
Oh, yeah, I love the pictures in here.
All of these has relevance. Like
Okay.
we love Friends. I love Pink Floyd. He loves Shah Rukh Khan. We love cricket.
Shah Rukh Khan is everywhere.
Yeah, music is like very important to us. So all of these things, like you remember The Pursuit of Happiness?
Yeah.
Yeah. So all of
Aw.
these things. Only one random thing, that orange guy is there. Otherwise everything else.
Just say you love oranges or something, you know? Well, I like the closets too.
Yeah.
They look very nice.
I set up closets for Siddharth. He never does anything. He doesn't keep his clothes back. But this guy's got some clothes.
A lot of clothes.
He's got a lot of clothes.
If you're a fashion influencer, your husband can't dress like slobbily, right?
People say that, but room. This is the only room which has a separate bathroom.
Oh,
So we
okay.
use it as a guest bathroom as well.
Ooh.
But you'll see.
I like
think
the painting up there.
Yep.
Kanika, look at the lighting in the camera. It's so good.
Even the guest bathroom is so like
Look.
aesthetic.
Look at the lighting on her.
I wanted to add a lot of plants because this is a guest bathroom and a lot of people come in. So
Look.
I
at
have a
the
low key
shower.
OCD for like cleanliness. But tonight's to just make a mess, right? We'll see. So you know this part.
Yeah. So well listened to. You know?
Oh yeah. This is the kitchen. This is the extended kitchen. We have a concept of this extension so that all the bad looking things are just here and not in the face. And then this is the place where if you happen to have a servant, it's a room for servant. Or like a helper. So there's a room, it has cupboards, and it has a bathroom, but we are using it like a storage
Room, yeah.
because we don't want any
Someone living in.
24-hour help.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this has a separate entrance from outside. So basically it's there.
They can come and go when they need to, yeah.
Even I didn't get the storage room tour. So special for
You were in a rush. He's very calm and he's very patient.
me?
Yeah, you were in a rush.
It was also late, right? And you were tired. I was tired.
This is
This is
a
the
dedicated
studio.
room for my shoots. This
Yeah.
is my huge light, my new camera, and this is usually where I used to work, but now it's just there to store things that I get in barter for making content. But these are my cupboards, extra cupboards for extra things.
So much clothing, right? Glasses, accessories, everything.
I think that's the beautiful part about being a woman.
You have so
got
much more
accessories.
choices. Is that another
Yeah.
washroom, I guess, attached?
Yes, this
Yeah.
has a washroom, but that's a shoe room. I've kept all my
Oh,
shoes there.
really? A shoe room.
No, I mean it's just a cupboard for shoes.
I just imagine 1,000 pairs in there now.
No, not as many. This room you guys
Yeah.
are familiar with. This is the guest room. Whoever comes and stays over stays in this room.
Mm-hmm.
And this is
Oh, wow, the master.
This is the bedroom, and I've not shown you balconies for any, but they are more or less like the main balcony that you
Do
see
you have the grass
outside.
on every balcony?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
okay.
yes, we do.
That's really nice.
And I'd like to show you the bathroom of this one. Because
Yeah, I didn't
it's very detail oriented. I wanted to show you what my favorite pastime, not pastime, but like I do this twice a week.
Yeah.
And
A nice soaking tub.
yeah, and we enjoy our own wash basins for
Oh,
some
your head in
reason.
the shower head too. Must be such a nice rainfall.
It is.
Karna turn on usko.
Kisko.
Shower.
Kisko.
Wow, the lighting's pretty good in here. In our Airbnb, the lighting's so bad in the bathroom.
I look so skinny.
The lighting was all like. So this is it. Sometimes when Sid is asleep, because he sleeps earlier than I do. So I just go to this balcony, sit because there's grass. So I just sit down, and there's nothing here and there. So you'll see it's different from other balconies in the sense that it's just you can just see everything. There's no
Yeah.
disturbance. So yeah, when the sky is clear, you get a very good view, and there are Aravali hills. Like this place is built around hills, so you see entire Aravali range. Aravali is the name of the hills.
Do you see it better in like the summer when there's less pollution then?
But in winter outfits, like first of all, बहुत ही गंदा हाल है. इसका मुझे बहुत embarrassment हो रही है दिखाते हुए. But
Please come look at this.
you remember this is the skirt I wore when I just like visited you recently. This is the one.
Cute.
This is very cute. Okay, do you want a longer one?
Skirt नहीं पहनना यार.
फिर what do you want?
टॉप तेरे कोई ढंग का yeah. And अगर आपके पास कोई छोटी बेल्ट है, ये ना ओवरसाइज बेल्ट ले लिया मैंने. ये देखियो. और ना इसमें मेरा पेट इतना मोटा लग रहा है, जबकि मेरा पेट है नहीं. अब मैं इसको नीचे कर रहा हूँ ना, तो ये दिख रहा है अलग से. देख.
There's a little bit of scope. Like an inch or two. बस उतना ही है. वो तेरे को ही पता लग रहा है. So there is this top which ends very sexily on the chest with this cross on. And you won't feel thanda in it. And then we've got this set where you have this spaghetti. And over
So
that,
cute.
and over that you have this shrug.
This is perfect.
Right?
I'll wear this.
Yeah. And you can put like one shoulder off.
I love that.
And you can wear this skirt with it if you want.
Okay, but belt दो मुझे कोई ढंग का.
But here I have
छोटा है
either
कोई.
thin belts like this.
संगा हाँ ऐसे.
I'll get.
So guys, my sister is restyling me. This is good.
You can close your door and check whatever you like in the mirror.
पहले ये try करूँ.
देखो यहाँ change करना है. We've got more top. This one is a new one from Zara. Look at this.
This
So
तो won't
cute.
fit me.
No, this is all stretchable. This will stretch.
But my stomach.
I get it.
यार
ये क्या कर रहे हो?
मिनट चाहिए तुम लोगों को
2 मिनट तो चाहिए एटलीस्ट चेंज करने में. अभी तो पहना भी नहीं है.
बहुत
पहन
फैंसी
रही है?
प्रेजेंटेशन के साथ ड्रिंक आई है एंड आई वांट टू हैव दैट
He
Don't
makes
mind what,
really good fruit cocktails.
Oh, this is also very cute.
Yeah.
And I just.
Shimmy. On you.
शिमी शिमी
Yeah, this will solve the problem of that tummy thing.
And I'm going to put in contacts
Perfect.
after that.
And I can give you a shrug on top if you feel cold.
एक तो ना मुझे ना आपके पास ट्रेडिशनल कपड़े होते हैं ना तो और भी मजा आता.
You want traditional clothes? I have woolen kurtas also.
वुलन कुर्ता कौन पहनता है?
Then what kind of traditional are you
अनारकली.
wearing? शादी वाले?
नहीं शादी वाले भी नहीं. अनारकली शादी में पहन के जाते हैं.
I mean थोड़े से wedding या थोड़े से
Ethnic, basically.
festive.
एथनिक
हम्म.
प्रॉपर
तुम लोगों को एथनिक बोला था मैंने पहनकर आना इसका स्वागत करने के लिए. वेस्टर्न पहना है.
You remember I showed you two couples in the health area? वो पूरी 2 traditional wear की ही हैं.
यार so cute.
शादी
ये
के
पहन के
कपड़े.
देखूं मैं वाइट वाला एक बार.
You try whatever you want to try, then call me in if you want any help.
Okay. Guys, so this is my outfit.
Wow.
Hi guys. Nice t-shirt. Just handshake.
Hi, Keith. What's up?
Hi.
Are you having fun?
Hi. Oh yeah.
That's wonderful.
Hi Sunai. कैसी है?
Sonali's the main character in a lot of these videos, so we have to make sure
Really?
to capture her.
Oh my god.
The kind of I was dressed up when I left home, and right now my dress up is like totally different. She just pissed me off throughout the whole journey.
Oh really?
Yeah.
The struggles of being a parent.
Zero right now.
Hi. Oh, I love your outfit. You look very cute.
Finally.
Is it
Oh,
recording?
that's mine. So my drink.
इतना प्यार
posting?
जीजू से. So guys, this is my drink.
We have to
My
cheers.
Zizu made me. There's Zizu. And yeah.
चलो
Wait, cheers.
किसी को beer पीनी है?
Boop.
शर्म नहीं आती. शर्म नहीं आती.
I really should be on the other side. Better lighting.
Okay.
Shrub करो. थोड़ी सी तो shrub करो.
रिमोट कहाँ है? Guys,
Oh yeah, shrub.
Rishi nahi.
आप अपना मोबाइल करो।
यार बोल दो रिमोट कहीं भी पानी पी लो ये अपन दोनों के लिए फिक्स
अरे
अपन दोनों के लिए fix है।
I am playing a song, तो हम वो करेंगे।
चिट क्या है?
हाँ?
चिट क्या है?
चिट अभी नहीं आई है, अभी हम ये करेंगे।
तू मिरर कर ले, टीवी को अपने फोन से मिरर कर ले।
नहीं नहीं, सिर्फ बस अभी ले लिया है, मिल जाएगा। हाँ, ओके, गाइस, पिलो। पिलो पास करो। ठीक है, मैं नहीं देख, गाइस, करेगा चालू करो। मैं अब नहीं देखूंगा, तो अब हम वो करेंगे, पिलो पास करो।
अंधेरा कर देना।
अरे मासी आपके
पास करो आगे
Take a weird selfie and post on.
He's not on social media.
Your Insta story.
आप नहीं कर पाओगे।
Okay, good.
Something else.
नहीं नहीं, अगर आप नहीं कर पाओगे तो 2 शॉट्स लेने पड़ेंगे।
2 shots?
हाँ।
No, he can't.
I'm not drinking.
आपका इंस्टाग्राम नहीं है?
He's not on social media.
अच्छा ठीक है, दूसरा लो।
Twitter है क्या?
दूसरा ले लो। नहीं, वो कौन देखता है?
That's what she said.
लेते रहो।
Everyone.
One compliment to everyone
मैं
in
भी
the
नहीं हूँ इंस्टा पे।
Oh, that's very hard.
उसको आती होगी इंग्लिश।
That's very easy.
आ जाओ।
मैं सुना नहीं।
Compliment everyone in
Compliment
this
sounds
room।
much more complex than tarif.
हाँ जी, आ जाओ।
Come on, you can do this. Yeah.
रामन, 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 रामन।
Come
आ
on.
जाओ।
कोई एक चीज सबके बारे में तो लगती हो।
हाँ जब मन करता मन करता।
ठीक है, मेरे कंधे पे हाथ रख के खड़े हो जाओ। कंधे पे। फोटो। एक कॉम्प्लीमेंट सबको वहाँ से स्टार्ट कर। Guys,
अरे सब चुप हो जाओ। ओए छोटी बोरा।
guys,
You mean to film this whole thing?
वो भाई कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर रहा है यार।
इनको चूज कर लो, कोई भी।
कनिका क्यों कनिका के बारे में क्यों नहीं बोल सकते?
नो केजी।
वो भी उनका क्लोज है, चलो ठीक है, हम मान लेते हैं, बोलिए।
पहले एड्रेस करना चाहिए।
बड़ी मीठी सी लग रही है।
पहले एड्रेस में भेजा।
नहीं, फ्लो विद योर हार्ट। किसके बारे में बोलने का मन है?
प्रेजेंटेशन देनी है।
गुड हाइट। ओके ठीक है, इतना चाहिए।
लंबा है हाइट।
Please, let's be less superficial.
मैंने पीछे की कॉन्वर्सेशन चल रही है
वो हिल रहा है सब तेरा यार। मतलब पेट हिल रहा है भाई, तुम क्या गलती कर रहे हो? अरे यार
अच्छा ठीक है, आगे करते हैं। चलो पिल्लो पास से
आगे करो आगे करो। हिलो भाई।
Do you wanna go there? I'll record it.
No.
It's too dangerous right now, right?
Yeah.
शब गुजरी जग सोया नीम जगे अनवीदानो
not have to. यार बीच में तो उस पर डांस कर.
You guys go dance, Justin.
अरे जब मेरा आया ही नहीं है, जल्दी बुला लिया। मेरे को चढ़ी नहीं है यार 1% भी।
जा पास में जा।
तू आजा उसके साथ। ये तो ऐसे ही करेगा।
करियो।
जा तू जा।
पागल है, हर लड़की को ये लगता है कि मेरा फायदा।
मनी आना मनी
चलो हो गया। All done for me.
Good job.
I did my best.
Thank you. I'm just following you.
Okay, do it.
मैं ट्यूटर बन जाऊंगी.
अबे कुछ और भी कर दे।
Oh my god. That's a whole lot of cardio. Rub your butt.
खेल रहे भाई।
Very good copycat.
Oh my god. That's a lot of cardio for you.
अरे डेर उनका है आपका है, करो कुछ।
कर रही है
आप करो।
वाह भाई वाह।
नहीं आपको करना पड़ेगा। नहीं क्या ये देख चीटिंग है सिद्धार्थ की। सो गाने दे उसको। आई बड़ी।
I'm just trying to get it.
मुश्किल बढ़ जाए तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा।
Not as bad as I thought.
न कोई है न कोई।
मनीष सोनाली एक सेकंड यार।
जिंदगी
में तुम्हारे सिवा कौन है वो? तुम देना
शश।
साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा मेरा।
अब मैं कुछ बोल. एक मिनट. हमारे एंगेजमेंट पे हमने इस पे डांस किया था. First time and और मेरे first time of touch. First touch.
If I'm doing half, then there are like proper push-ups.
10 करने हैं आपको, आप कैसे भी करो।
कर ले, तू कर लेगी, मुझे पता है। सही कर रही है, चल।
Yes, yes, girl, queen.
बहुत बढ़िया 6
5, 6, 7,
जिम जाती है
8.
Come on, start.
गा रहा हूँ भाई
ट्रेडिशनल आउटफिट होता है
धीरे दिखा
मैं इसमें एक्सपर्ट हूँ भाई. मनी बैठ ना मुझे दिख नहीं रहा. बदतमीजी मत कर बैठ. अनपढ़.
बिठा ले
You are stealing his thunder right now. They were bad like
मुझे वैसे नहीं दिख रहा.
चलिए आइए वाह माशाल्लाह 10 रुपए 10 रुपए 10 रुपए करके 1 लाख
मैं नहीं करता.
अच्छा सॉरी
यार जज करना.
नहीं I'm done.
अरे प्लीज तो करते हैं भाई तू अर्ली
आराम से बैठ जा. बदतमीजी मत कर.
बैठा तो
Should I stop recording?
Don't let anything trigger you, yaar. Don't let anything trigger. Be strong. Come on, Rakshit.
कोई और-
Don't let anything trigger you.
Exactly, you're a diva.
Just do your thing.
ये ना accent जो लगा.
मनी एक सेकंड. मेरी वीडियो वहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड हो रही है. वो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है. वो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है. तू ही बदतमीजी कर रहा है.
बंद करके वापस स्टार्ट कर दूं?
कौन है
मामू
बांधा किसी ने तो बांधा
मामू
अगर मनी एक और शब्द बोलेगा तो मैं नहीं
जा
बोलूंगा
थोड़ा
उसके बाद.
और अंदर घुस
यार इतना अच्छा कर रहा था तो रुका क्यों?
मनी बदतमीजी कर रहा है.
तुझे पौधे ढूंढना जरूरी है
मैंने
क्या?
नहीं
नहीं
किया
होता है ऐसे.
ऐसे कोई ट्रिगर नहीं कर सकता
चुप कर.
मैं बहुत सिंपल और हम्बल पर्सन हूँ
रील का ब्रह्मास्त्र.
चलो ठीक है. I'll do it from here.
सॉरी
यार अब छोड़ो.
ये बटन होता है यहाँ पे ये लगा। आज तक कनिका को भी चलाना आता है
She doesn't know.
कनिका जूम कराइए इसमें
Come on, start.
ट्रेडिशनल आउटफिट होता है. मैं इसमें एक्सपर्ट हूँ भाई.
Wait, sorry.
मनी बैठ ना मुझे दिख नहीं रहा. बदतमीजी मत कर. बैठ. अनपढ़. You are stealing his thunder right now. They were bad like मुझे वैसे नहीं दिख रहा. वीडियो बना दे.
तेरे 20K की खुशी में.
पर कैंडल तो जलाए.
फेयर वाला केक है.
No, Justin crossed 20K in his Instagram.
20K.
20K in Instagram.
20
Yay.
तेरी उम्र से है कम चाय में
You can go, you can help him cut the cake.
अब हो गया. Justin cuts cake.
कैंडल.
We need a lighter. Everyone has a lighter in here.
तो काटने के लिए.
Wow, so pretty. उल्टा करके नहीं चलता भाई.
चल रहा है.
Wow, happy birthday to you.
Happy 20K.
बस ऐसे ही तुम दुनिया के जीवन में आग बुझाते रहो.
Happy 20K.
Wow, nice, so beautiful. Mama Sita. Yes. Guys.
गवार नहीं हम आपसे खिलाएंगे.
You guys, आप लाते
हो गया दिमाग हो गया
It's fine. I'll feed with the fork now. Please use the fork. Thank you. I'll feed it to you.
Come, G. You both look good together. This is the both. This is both of you.
Thank you, Gio.
Thank you for bringing the cake.
Sorry.
ये बच्चा है ना ये वाला भी
It's not on there. जीजू बहुत अच्छा केक है.
Thing is, mouth is
I know, right?
still
इनकी
full of
लड़कियों में खाने में अच्छी चॉइस